What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. You should do this once a year, and that's cleaning your barbecue grill. I slacked off a little bit with mine, but it's due. Okay, so here's my grill. Obviously you can see there's a lot of grease buildup in here. Here's the front of it. This bad boy's pretty old, actually. They don't even make this Weber anymore. You could see I had some wind damage, the doors flew off, but it's still a good grill, still works really great. You know, I can call Weber and they still have parts for it. So Super Clean was kind enough to send me out these products. I've used Super Clean in the past, it works great, but they reached out to me and asked if I would try them out, so I said yeah, sure, send them to me and I will. I kind of started cleaning this little area here already, but this is what we're going to use to clean it. So scraper, we're going to use a scrubbing pad, a wire brush, and these products here along with some water, and we'll get this thing looking like new again. Now that I got the inside all scraped out the tray, and I do that because it'll just be easier to clean. Otherwise you're just scrubbing all that dry stuff and it kind of becomes a pain, so scraping it first definitely helps. So Super Clean sent me two things. Their spray, which I've used before, and their foam, which I've never used. So let's spray some on there. Watch how quick this stuff starts to work. It's crazy. Also too, it says don't let it dry. So you want to make sure you keep it wet, but I just want to show you guys. Now the only thing I don't spray this on is I don't spray this stuff on the grates that we cook on. That I just scrape as much of it off as I can and then use a brush and rinse that with water. Everything else, all the other surfaces get this. So if you can see that, look at that. How that comes off. Now that's with no water, no scrubbing. This sponge pad is dry, but look at that. How well that gets the grease off. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the spray and I'm gonna spray the whole surface down. Another tip too, you want to wash from the top down. This way everything flows down this way, and the bottom's the last part that you do. Alright, so there we go, guys. Look at how clean that came. Almost like brand new. Not bad for 15 years old. Here's the inside. This may even be older. I think it's about 15 years old. Show you guys down in there. It's all nice and clean. So there we go. This stuff works awesome. There is instructions on how you should dilute it down depending on what you're cleaning. I didn't do that. I just used the full strength in that bottle because I knew this was going to be bad, and it turned out really good. So let's fire it back up. All right, fresh tank in there, got it all fired back up. As you can see, it's working great, like brand new. So I'm just talking specifically about my Weber with spraying it with the hose like I did. I've never had a problem. Every time I've cleaned it, it worked great. I can't speak on other brands. I just know that this brand, this is the way I've cleaned it, and it's been fine. I'll also put a link down in the description below with their website. It has a lot more information on there of the chart for diluting their products and what it's best used for based on what it needs to be diluted at and so on. So I'll put that in the description below. This way you guys have full access to it, and all that information is right there on their website. All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. Don't forget, check this stuff out if you haven't. Give me those thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share these videos, drop a comment in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next one.